Word. Okay, there we go. Hi.
How are you, Theo?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Are you sorry? Oh yes, you're recording, right?
Yes, just recorded. Yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay, sounds good to me. Recording perfect, fantastic. We're just waiting for Kaya.
Yes.
How
Uh,
was your
yes. We. You said you were doing the second.
question? Yes.
Yeah, second question. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
I had a little bit of trouble with the first question. On. I think I got it, but it was the one on.
Let me see.
Find it was the one on.
Yeah,
Oh boy, hold on. It's the one on.
yes, the problems with the typewriter, the guy
Yeah.
with the what
Well, it
grade?
was the what the question. It was how does his movement? What part of the brain is involved with less smooth motor movements? Um, I think it's the. Let's see the. What is it? The um motor cortex, but that might just be a partial answer.
Yeah. I believe yes, that can be a partial answer, but because I believe notice I need to I'm doing a review for the chapters again on all the for the test, but I believe it was the one that we have in the back. Let me check very quick on my book, but I believe they're different. Um, Let me see, but you know what? Let me read the. That was question. Sorry, question B, question A, B, or C.
Question A,
Oh,
1A.
A. Yes, brain. Yeah, motor movements. Yeah, neurotransmitters. Oh, yeah, neurotransmitters. Yes, I guess you know what. Actually got confused. I guess you're right. I'm sure, for sure, your question is everything because not only that, different parts of the brain, like
Hmm.
I had in mind the other one. I had in mind like I was thinking about what part of the brain, but it's actually is not what part of the brain. It's a little bit more. Sorry, what chapter was that? The
I
last one?
think it was in processing. That's why I got confused, just because I don't remember reading about that, but I might have
Oh,
just skipped over.
yes. Uh, no, actually, no, actually, I believe, yeah, I'm pretty sure that is a really good. Yeah, the cerebellum, I had that, but I misunderstood. I thought the question was what part of the brain, but actually, I don't think it's even the cerebellum.
Yeah,
Let me.
but
Oh, you know what? The prefrontal cortex. Do you know what? I guess.
yeah,
Uh, I guess that's part of the answer for sure. I'm pretty sure. The thing is that for me, I'm more familiar with what the part and what are the functions. Yeah, like for example, I know this the cerebellum is has to do with the motor learning. For example, even I don't know if it's part of for example, there's an example in the book when they talk about the piano. This guy who doesn't have memory of the past, I believe,
yes,
but
yeah.
it's still because he has the
He,
cerebellum intact, so his motor learning is similar to this guy.
yeah,
But
where he
he's
can he he has long-term memory, but not short-term, right?
yes, yes, and But I guess
So
this
it's
guy in the
this guy, because Paul, I think his name was, has cerebral palsy.
palsy, yes.
So I'm trying to see, like maybe I think there's certain parts of the brain that is affected by.
Yeah, yes, because I guess also I don't want to say confusing because not confusing is like different parts. For example, if you lose some part of your, you cannot do things with one part of the brain. I guess the other part of the brain can take over also. They kind of interchange or something like that. But
Yeah, the cerebral motor cortex
yeah,
is it.
yeah. Let me see. Let me see if it's under the. Yeah, I need to review it. Yes, see.
What did you for your questions, what did you
Uh, do you know what? Now you're like a very what you responded is more deeper into more detail, and I have the picture, which is good. It's very good. It's a really wonderful answer. Oh, sorry. You got a message from what was your message? I'm joining.
she
That was
said
your
she
message.
was, I don't um
Your phone is on ends in 1 3 1 2 3.
yeah.
Oh, okay, 1 2 3. Your phone, okay. Yeah, because I just have it like in a group because I don't want to mess it up with like a separating 1 2 3 and the one. Okay, bro. Yeah, okay. Just maybe just in case
Yeah.
keep an eye on Kaya, but yes, what was it? Oh yeah, sorry, my question.
Yeah.
Question number two. Um, yeah, the question number two was on the I'm sorry, the article.
Yes.
Yeah, question number two was still I need to do more because I have like I need to do a little bit more about let me see on criminal activity, right? Okay, my answer so far. Let me see right here. So let's keep an eye on Akaya in case she's joining. Oh yeah, question two. Okay, read the article. How Blue City governance is destroying blue cities by Ben Shapiro. The article is printed below. Okay, question A. Discuss learning theories and research findings that might reasonably explain increases in criminal behavior in San Francisco and other blue cities. Okay, so my question A was for that there are different. I believe there are also different answers, but I answered right now. I have the law of effect. When there is a like a reward for a behavior or something like that, you have to do it again, either good or there is something that increases the behavior like in a positive way. You're gonna do it again. So this one in the article it says that remember you can steal up to $950 and it's a misdemeanor, which is just a misdemeanor. You don't go to jail. So it's like a
Mhm.
basically the government is encouraging you to steal more. Like for me, if I know that, I can just go to any store and steal $900. I
Oh,
can go to
yeah. Because
and
this is on learning theories.
hi,
Hello,
Hello.
guys.
are you better
Hi.
now?
Good, good, getting better. Still a little sad, dad, but it happens.
Yeah,
How are
happy
you guys?
for you. Very good, very good. Um, just talking about the questions.
Okay.
Question, yeah.
I did the C and D
Hmm.
for the questions of A and B that you did. I could just put them in the chat so then you can add them to the doc because Adrian, you're
Yes,
gonna do the
yes,
writing, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, and also, yes, you can do it that, and also,
Yeah.
if you
And
can,
then
the thing
yeah,
is,
I can submit it, I think. Yeah, I can do
you
that.
can yes, or you can send me the questions on Canvas. It would be easier for me.
You want me to, okay, so I'm gonna copy and paste and then I can
Yes,
put it
copy
in.
and paste to another message on Canvas. From there,
Okay.
I'm gonna do it tonight by what time? 10?
By 10, yeah.
Yeah.
But I have the Zoom video since I'm hosting. So
Yes,
would
yes,
it
I
yes.
be
know, but I
easier?
think it's
Would it?
one person each one person does a text, and since you're the
Oh,
host,
okay. Okay.
you'll just post a
Yeah.
video and then Adrian has to post
Yes.
the last little bits of
I will
questions.
send
Yes.
that.
Okay. So yes, you can then you can post the video to YouTube, Theo, and send me just the link.
Yeah.
And you can send me in Kaya the answers, and I'm
Okay.
gonna post both
I will
the
send you
video.
my answers as well.
Because
Yes.
if you look at the people's discussions too,
Uh-huh.
it shows how they did it too. They did like their videos and then they posted it on YouTube, and then
Yes.
somebody else read the response. So if Theo just posts the video and then we both do the writing response, it'll be chill. It should be able to go in. I'm just gonna send you my
Mm-hmm.
answers really fast.
Yes.
Do you guys want to go over them?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. If you have if you have the answer for Theo's, or you can help us with Theo's question. For number
I
one.
think got I was just a little confused with it.
Mhm. Yeah.
It was the one on on how what like the effects of like motor fine like gross motor and
Mm-hmm.
for Paul and what how his movements are sporadic. So
Yes.
and I think
Was
that's
that the video that we were supposed to
yeah,
watch, the typewriter video?
yeah. And then I think that's
Yes.
the cerebral motor cortex that is affected, but I wasn't
Mhm.
completely sure. So if,
Let me see. Because yeah, I only did questions
Mhm.
yeah,
A and
yeah.
B. But if you let me see. I can look at it and see what my thoughts could have been on it.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I've been super hyper, like I've been working a lot, so I'm like everywhere. And it's been crazy because I'm finally not sick, so I'm like, I gotta catch up on some money.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay, let me look. I'm just gonna send you this on Canvas. Oh wait,
Mm-hmm. Yes, please. And
Zoom group 5, Adrian.
Yes.
and
So, but Adrian, yours was on the learning of that for
Um,
that article, right?
yes, it was on learning. Yes. Yes.
wait, before we move into that, do you
Yes.
want me just to read my answers
Oh, yeah.
for
Yes, please.
C? Okay,
Yes.
so for C, it said, how is it that people interpret typewriter characters as images like faces, landscapes,
Mhm.
etc. That those depict in the video. Use you use and define concepts from the that's the question. But what I put it is the reason people interpret typewriter character as an image like faces or landscape, that those characters just depicted in the video was due to human beings naturally being accustomed to grouping small images, lines, and
Mm,
etc. together. So then together. Sorry, my iPad is half, so I have to. So then that uh so that the brain doesn't have to um, concentrate on every single detail in the image because that the overload our brain. Whoa, hold on. I'm so sorry. Together, so then the brain doesn't have to concentrate on every single detail in the image because that will overload our brains. Hence why when we look at
mhm.
uh,
The pictures.
yeah, when we look at the pictures of the typewriter characters, we see a beautiful image instead of a numerous colored typewriter,
Mm-hmm.
a numerous colored character. What the hell? It's because when I texted it to you, it moved it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So psychology is a huge factor in individuals
Mm-hmm.
considering the typewriter artist image are beautiful pieces because psychology is the I'm so sorry
Mm-hmm.
guys. Is a concept that we as human beings focus on the whole picture rather than the independent parts, as well as going deeper with the concept of proactive
Mm-hmm.
proximity regarding typewriter art is that the skilled typewriter artists are capable of precisely planning their characters to where they blend together perfectly to produce a beautiful image. For question D, it
Mm-hmm.
said Paul Smith definitely developed his unique ability to process masterful and recognizable artwork using only 10 keys on a typewriter was due to the efficient ability learning through the observation as well as the operating condition, meaning that Paul definitely had to gain inspiration from others to proceed art on a typewriter and constantly wanted to improve by critiquing his work and getting feedback from others. The reward for producing a compelling piece caused Smith to continue that the behavior, while certain techniques he tried for painting worked so um, captivating, meaning he would use those actions to produce better art overall. He definitely needed to learn this skill from observing his typewriter techniques and placing the addition to um, the piece which thus causes Sam to grow more comfortable and skilled at the typewriter art instead of adding certain aspects using typewriter art. But that's
Mm-hmm.
basically what I used for question. Sorry, my computer's
Yes.
gonna die. For C and D, because it was just based off like the video and just talking about like, how he took the typewriter and made a big like art piece just by using the certain keys and all that. So,
Mm-hmm.
but that's basically what I got. I was too kind of confused on the whole aspect of it, but it kind of came to me after, and that's what I wrote. But yeah, I don't know. And then yeah, so Theo, you were still confused about A and B, right?
I just
Oh,
on
sorry.
a little bit, but I think I figured I'll just read it and you tell me if there's something I could improve on. Um,
Mhm.
the cerebral motor cortex
Yes.
is the part of the brain that allows you to move. If this
Yes.
was damaged, yeah, sorry.
Yes.
Um,
No, continue. Sorry.
oh,
Sorry.
okay, sorry. If this was damaged by an accident, deterioration, or a disability like cerebral palsy, then you would have poor motor skills and sporadic movements. I didn't write very much, but I don't know if there's something I should add on or.
I think that sounds very good. That's a very because yeah, it's very motor is what I think so. I think that's very
Because
nice.
I'm pretty sure the motor cortex controls like fine motor skills. So when you watch him move, he has kind of doesn't have very good control over like how he speaks and stuff like that. And I think that's controlled by that area of the brain. But yeah. Yeah. And then
Yes, I
You
think
have
that's
a
a good
question?
and I don't think you need. Oh yeah, go continue. Yes, question.
Oh, no, I was just saying, do you have question? And then you have question too? Because even though, like, if we don't, we're just talking about our answers, so then
Yes,
Adrian can have a better understanding. So, too, if we don't have all of the information now, we could just all
yes,
send it in like a
yes,
group text. I already sent it into the chat, so then he
yes,
could just put it all together.
yes.
Yeah.
And
Oh
I
yeah.
guess
I will send mine now.
yes, and I guess for the questions, Theo, I guess like you say, it can be short because the teacher said you don't have to be like, paragraph. That's it. Very short and sweet. That's it. As long as you understand and yeah, you can. I would say that's what I do, and that's what I guess the teacher mentioned something like that to someone in the group. I guess like yeah, but yeah, that sounds a very good question. So and I guess we're talking about. I need to review this one because it's a very big topic, and for me, I'm still to memorize all the the parts and everything. Like I said, the cerebellum and what they do, and and because they are also interconnected, and yeah, and I need to review for the test. Probably I'm gonna take it tomorrow. But I guess so far we're doing good. I guess like oh sorry, it's on Kaya, you are on
Oh, sorry. Um, I,
yeah,
s- I said, is the test due on the 12th?
I believe it's on Tuesday at 10
Okay,
p.m.
I think it
yeah,
opens on the 12th,
yeah,
Oh,
and then it's
'cause
due next
that
opens on
week.
night,
12?
that day, right? Is it
I
No,
think
open
it's
on the
due
12th?
no, I
on
guess
next Sunday. Wait, hold on.
I thought it was today. They opened today. I thought. Um,
I think the practice test opens today, and then
Yeah, the ungraded one.
yeah.
oh really? Ah, that is such a good
Yeah,
news.
yeah,
Such
because
a,
wait, what are we? Yeah, because the
oh,
ungraded
really?
one is open, and then the exam is, I think it's blocked too because it's on Proctor, so he has to like send out the whole thing.
Oh, thank you. It is on the week 7.
We
It,
take it next week. I think.
no,
Yeah.
it's due. I have it right here. It's due March 12th.
No, okay, thank you so
The
much.
test the test is due March 12th.
The
And it's on
practice test or
chapters.
the exam?
Oh, the
Oh, the
practice
one.
test is due March 12th. They're both due at the same time.
Okay.
Oh, both.
Both at 10
Let me
both at
find the
10 p.m.
calendar.
Also the
And it's on chapters 4 through 6 and 8. So just I think 7 is out of it. We're not doing. Oh,
Yeah.
uh of okay practice quiz are though the 13th. No, that's ungraded. Okay, and then sorry. Oh, March 12th. Exam 2 March 12th.
I see. Yes. So it opens today and then closes on the 12th. I see.
Holy moly!
yeah.
I
But
thought it was the next week. No,
yeah, I
no, I thought
know.
it was today. Sorry. Like you said. No, for me,
Oh,
I
you
thought.
thought the test was today?
Oh no. Sorry. No. Actually, I guess already. I thought they opened today and they close on Tuesday, right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Tuesday.
I think he opens it on the day, but the practice one is open to like it's open right now. So
Mhm.
yeah, but we just gotta catch up on do that and
Yes.
then get the whole writing down and then I
Yes.
feel like we should be good.
Yes. How many
Just
minutes do we have?
I don't know, that's the
We
Mm,
should have it opened at like 8:40, so we have like 20 minutes left until it closes for the
Oh no,
free.
sorry. How many minutes so far in the Zoom?
well I got on
Hold on.
um
Since we started like
Yeah, I think we've been out on for like 20-ish minutes, 25 minutes maybe.
Yeah, around like 20, 10,
Something.
15 probably. Do you have anything on the last on question 2?
No, no, just because I guess we were talking with him on question 1, and also I haven't reviewed that, so that's why. But no, question 2, no. For me, that was not like easier, but it was easier a little bit because it's on learning also. It's like
Yeah.
like imitation. What is that? The model, when he talks about the model, I wrote everything down. But if it's like we're already 20 minutes, I would say it's 9:07. And with this time
Yeah.
change, goes by so fast because it's gonna
Yes.
take Theo like 25 minutes to download the thing to the YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe if it's 20 minutes, we can leave. You can download send me the link to the Zoom, post
Okay.
it on your YouTube, send me the link. And in the meantime, I'm gonna send me the questions. If you can send me the questions first, and then
Yeah.
the
I
answers.
already
And
sent.
then
Yes.
we should did you write anything for question 2 for any of you're just gonna write them into the document, correct?
Yes, I already
Okay.
did it on my notebook.
Okay.
We discuss a little bit with Theo, like question A and everything, like why do you think they steal and or and then I said like I mentioned the law of effect, and then for A and for B I mentioned the negative punishment. They
Okay.
exchange, yeah, and also like you're a psychologist called by something like that, and then it says change. Oh, A, B, yeah. Yes, so I'm invited, and then I'm gonna tell like what happened, what would I do, and then I say like, yeah, I mentioned a negative punishment. A burglar would go to jail for like a longer time. I say like a negative. I use the negative punishment that is, and then what the book talks about, and then drugs. On drugs, I would use primary reinforcement, like give citizens something, like good citizens, like food for good behavior, something like that. Like create, yeah, like a citizen of the month. Like, let's say in Santa Barbara, the citizen of the month in Santa Barbara, and something like that. Make it like something for the community, so that reduces crimes and things like that, and drugs. And then I would use continuous reinforcement. Yeah, but I can talk more for sure. But will give lectures to homeless about observation and learning because they're doing drugs on the street in San Francisco. The article talks about doing drugs and stealing and everything. So I would give lectures, and then the models, the people who use drugs, how we imitate them, especially our kids, and just say things like that. Talk about it like
Hmm.
you're doing it in public. These kids go to school, then they see you, and then. But I need to write a little bit more. But I guess with that, I can do that.
Yeah, but just knowing like the conditioning methods and like the different type of
Yes.
psychological theory that they basically just placed if you read the article mostly
Mhm.
just like understanding like how the rules were played in the blue cities and how the criminals positive reinforcements because after they steal like just like yeah um
Yes.
so
Yeah.
yeah you definitely I hear what you're saying so yeah that one was a hard one to a
Yes,
lot of
because I can say,
breakdown.
yeah, exactly.
But
And
yeah,
You're very good in observation.
yes.
And you're good, both. Thank you so much. And
Yes.
good improvement for Teo also. So now we're reading, because in the beginning I didn't have any clue.
Yeah.
So I
And
have a
then
clue, but still need to review.
yeah, and
Need to
then
review. Yes.
for Theo to A and B, mostly you have to talk about like like the brain structure and like the frontal lobe and how that plays like an effect.
Yeah.
Like
Um,
but yeah, just add those into
Yeah.
a small thing and then we'll just send it in. And then I
Okay.
think we'd be good because I think it's 20 minutes past. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
So.
we have like
Okay.
10 minutes left in the
Okay. Oh yeah,
So-
9 minutes. I see it.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah, we should get that in as soon as possible because we should do it like if you guys want to send text messages, just get it done because we have
Yes,
just a certain amount of time, like
yes.
what, 45 minutes just to get it
Yes.
done. So
Thank you. So
yes.
yes, as soon as you finish with the video, and you can send me the answers first, and I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Awesome. All right. See you guys.
Thank you guys. Have a good night.
Everyone.
Yes, you too. And
Teo,
study,
Kaya.
study, study.
Steady.
Exactly. Thank you.
Yes. All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.